Perl compatible regex. Regex is short for regular expression, I suppose. So we're in the correct user file directory. So let's list it out real quick. You see our data acquisition library and our packet capture library, which we just installed. So let's clear, and now we're going to work on the Perl compatible regex. Git clone. Alright, now same as before, except we're going to use the auto generate command. So we're going to say sudo autogen.sh. What? That's not right. Why? Ooh. That's why. Alright, clear sudo dot / configure. Ooh, I might have made a mistake there. Let's try this. I might have just created a problem. I don't know. Sudo make. And after this, I'll show you how, if you don't know what the make command does, I'll show you how to find an answer. Alright, now let's install it. Sudo make install. Oh, I want you to show you this first. We can say man make. Okay, it's a make utility to maintain groups of programs. So the make utility will determine automatically which pieces of a large program need to be recompiled and issued to the commands to recompile them. Okay, you can go on read this for yourself, but that's how you find it. Okay, so sudo make install. Alright, let's move on to hyperscan. So change directory, back up one. There we go. Now